Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Sharing the Scoop. And today I have with me is Shail Vajani. So Shail, hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good, Shail. I hope you are safe as well. So
Ye-
Shail, can you please introduce yourself for our viewers?
Yes, sir. So, hi, this is Shail Vajani. So, I did my engineering in IT field from Father Agnes Bandra, and after that, I actually gave SNAP and CET and CAT, and I got calls from SIIB, SIBM Bangalore, and SIMC, and I completed my MBA right now, just now, in IB marketing from SIIB, which is Symbiosis Institute of International Business.
Okay, great. So where are you working currently, and what is your profile, Shail?
So basically, I got placed in HDFC Bank, sir, in corporate banking as a RM ECG, just waiting for my joining. That's it.
Okay. So you're waiting. Yeah, of course. And what was your experience when you appeared for SIIB interview process basically? And if you remember, what all did they ask you, or what was that process of VAT and PI? If you can, shed some
Yeah,
light.
sure. So basically, I went in SIIB. That time they actually had three simultaneous processes. One is GD, then second is PI, and third process was written assessment. So when we talk about GD, it was basically opinion based. Uh, uh, so they gave us a topic where we had to just give our opinions and summarize. That's it. And when we talk about WAT, it was basically a case study based kind of a written assessment. So where they actually gave me a table of different numbers and all, and which I had to actually analyze and write down the answers and judgments related to that. And when we talk about PI, so the PI process was really good because they actually started with your introduction. So they asked me about my name and different things like my graduation and my basically what I have done. And then later on, they actually saw my CV. So they actually asked me about my website because that time I was running a website called Marketing Enthu and mysticlamp.com. So they asked me what I have done, and I had done a digital marketing diploma as well. So they were asking me question related to digital marketing and the specialization which I wanted to, which is marketing. So that was a very nice experience because they actually asked a very much important question, which is connecting my profile to the specialization which I wanted to join.
Okay. And did you have any other symbiosis calls apart from SIIB?
Yes, sir. As I mentioned, I got a call from SIMC, which is Media and Communication College. Then I had another call from SIBM Bangalore.
Okay. And
Yeah.
what made you inclined to go for marketing? Because SIIB is usually known or famous for international business. Supposedly, that's how people know about it. But what made you, choose marketing? Was it your liking, or it was just, some shift because you are from the engineering background? So people have this notion about marketing that
So,
it
sir,
requires.
actually, my thing was that I was very much interested in marketing because, as we can say that I have a good communication skills, so I can actually excel that. And basically, I have done a diploma in digital marketing, and I have worked as a freelancer for almost a year in that particular field, and I was running a website. So it was always my interest to join marketing. And as we know, international business is a core, and in that you can select marketing, finance, HR, or operations. So I was very much keen towards marketing, so I chose marketing as an option.
Okay. And so you said that you did your engineering, and after engineering, did you join this SIIB college as a fresher, or you had a work ex?
Sir, I don't have a work ex, but I was a freelancer. So for a year, I was actually working as a freelancer in digital marketing field, because I wanted to excel that part as well. That I wanted to see that if I'm actually linking towards marketing, if I'm able to join marketing, and I would excel or not. So for a year, I actually did freelancing jobs. So that is actually a free that makes you as a fresher only when you join SIIB.
Okay, okay. And when you were in your first year of MBA, where was your internship and what was that profile was like?
Okay.
What was
I
that
was in
experience?
Yeah, so I can share that. I was in HDFC Bank in a retail banking service. So my job was into sales. So they actually took me towards personal loan, and I was selling a personal loan. And side by side, after my BM saw that I'm doing really well, he actually allowed me to access a lot of clients which are HNIs basically, and sell them the products, and find out their problems and resolve it. So that was my whole profile for 2 months in my internship.
Super, super. Now, if I ask you slightly a tricky question, want if I ask you to place SIIB in the whole Symbiosis League, or rank it in the whole Symbiosis family,
Okay.
if you can, above which college it is, or below which college it is, if
Okay,
you
sure.
can.
So, sir, basically, SIIB, as we all know, that while talking of Symbiosis as a brand, has a third rank in their whole umbrella. So, SIIB has a really good place to study actually, because you are into a residential program. So you get good experience of culture and various things. So because you are in a residential program, so they can actually make you work in whatever time they want. So which was giving me a good exposure. And when we talk about SIB infra and all, so we have a really good auditorium which has 350 people plus car space, and we have a really good kind of arrangement in labs and library. Obviously, we are having all the books which we need, plus a lot of other books which are actually very much important to excel your knowledge. And when we talk about extra activities, we had a lot of extra activities. So I was a part of a cultural team which is called as Ignitions for a year. And after that, I was heading a magazine called Catalyst for my marketing club. And when I would like to add one more point, that Symbiosis has one major thing which the other colleges doesn't have, which is basically Bloomberg Terminal. So if you are a finance people, or a person who is actually interested in doing a course and doing understanding the market scenarios and share markets, then it makes a really good impact, because it will help you out to work on that terminal, and you learn a lot of things. And when we talk about other activities, you have a lot of workshop, so you get a lot of things, and a lot of exposure. A lot of people come from other companies, and they take lectures, so that makes it very much interesting, because you are studying plus you are getting all the practical knowledge outside world. And one more thing is that all the professors are really good. So you can actually contact them, you can clear your doubts, so it becomes very easy, because they give you a corporate feeling, because they have their own email ID access and a lot of other accesses, which is similar to a corporate life. So whenever you have to communicate, you have to do it via a formal way. So which makes it very much nice experience, and which helps you to excel in your career as well. So I would like to address one point over here, which is my internship. So while doing my internship, I had other people from other colleges as well, but they were lacking behind in a little some points, like formal communication. So Symbiosis help you for that formal communication. So that is very important. So that is my point, that why you should join Symbiosis is more is because you get a practical knowledge. Less theory,
So
more practical. So that is my whole point.
Perfect. Okay. Uh, any three good things about SIIB, or your favorite things about SIIB, and your not so favorite things about SIIB?
So my favorite thing is obviously staying in a hostel, because you make a lot of friends from other places. So I learned a lot of things from other people in other, like for a different culture. They have different ritual. They have different things. So we used to enjoy every festival over there. So every festival had their own credibility over there. Second thing was that yes, my library. I used to enjoy my library because I used to get all the books which I wanted to read. I've never read so much informative thing which I got in SIIB. And third thing was that yes, the canteens. So canteens are okay over there, but you enjoy a lot because you have a lot of friends out there. But and the negative point is obviously the mess food, because no one loves the mess food. It's not that great, but yes, stay is really good. So
Okay.
yeah.
Superb. So Shell, before we wrap this up, any closing comments? Any pro tip how to survive at SIIB?
So basically, it's very simple. Be what you are, and just give your interview with all the things you have, and try to enhance and enlighten all the insights and all the important things from your CV, which will make you join SIIB very nicely, and which will give you a edge to join SIIB. And try to communicate your things and your ask them questions, because they are very much open to it. So when you go over there, and at the end when they say that if you have any questions, you should ask some questions which is very relevant and which is in your mind, because then when you join SIIB, it's obviously it is you are turning into a corporate world. So there also you will ask all the questions and all the queries, so you should open with that. And second thing would be that when you join when you are going for interviews and all, just be mentally prepared and be calm. If you are nervous, they'll obviously drill you. So try to avoid that thing. So that would be my pro
Correct.
tip.
Super. Thank you so much, Shell, for your time, and all the best for all your future endeavors. Hopefully, we can, do such more sessions as well.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.